Well, violent protest by the Kapu community demanding backward class status has been called off. Now, the road blockade in the Godavari district region of Andhra Pradesh has been lifted. Train services are expected to resume. Community leaders have told NDTV that violence during protests was unforeseen and they're hopeful of resolving the matter through a dialogue. Yesterday, the protesters set ablaze two coaches of the Ratnachal Express. Andhra's Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu had earlier promised backward class status to the Kapu community if he was chosen to power.
No civilized society will do this type of activity. I am telling you. All leaders I am asking, I will give GO. Can you take that responsibility tomorrow? Don't ask me. I am asking straight question. Let them tell, organizers and also community leaders. I want to have a debate in the state, this type of activities.
Uma Sudhir now joins us from Hyderabad for more. Quite incredible that the situation has been brought under control pretty fast. So that means that the leadership of this community has been speaking to the Chief Minister and some sort of a solution seems to be be working out.
In fact, Mudragada Padmanabham, the Kapu leader who had in fact called for this meeting, his demand had been that the government should issue GOs. And as Chandrababu Naidu just said, he is ready to issue the GOs and he says that it would not stand the scrutiny of the court and he anticipates some other problems as well. The resistance from the backward classes community which will feel that their pie of the reservation quota is being taken away by the Kapu community, which significantly constitutes at least 28% of the population. So the calling off of the agitation, the blockade being lifted, trains being allowed to resume, all that is conditional. They want that by 4 p.m. today, the Chief Minister should call off, should issue in fact orders for this government order so that there will be reservation for the Kapu community. On the other hand, what we are also understanding is that if that does not happen, Mudragada Padmanabham has said that he is going to be sitting on a fast unto death. The agitationists have dispersed, so there is no immediate law and order situation there in the East Godavari district. Yesterday, of course, it seemed to have taken the intelligence agencies completely by surprise. Certainly, the group was claiming that there were about 4 lakh, but police estimates say there must have been about 70,000 of them. After this particular meeting, Mudragada Padmanabham, in fact, in the course of the meeting, said that just having a meeting is not going to help. We must go and blockade the road. We must go and stop the trains as well. As of now, Section 144 is in place. There is prohibitory orders in the East Godavari and Tuni areas, but the situation certainly seems to be under control there. Political significance of this for Chandrababu Naidu, very, very critical. Kapu vote, as I mentioned, 28% of the population. Their vote is very critical, but giving that reservation status to this Kapu community as backward caste would mean perhaps alienating also some 48% of the backward castes who constitute the biggest constituency in a sense for Chandrababu Naidu. Back to you, Divya.